Trace the narrow part on the bottom of each cup closer to the center. Cut out a hole and insert the spy-filled glass into each cup. Hot glue. Make triangular cuts on the joining of the caps so that they can be put on the attached cups. The first rule of using coffee binoculars is not to forget taking off the caps prior to spying. Now I can clearly see the entire picture. We need to move this way. A new hint is waiting for us at the marked place. Someone must have forgotten a leather bracelet here. Or is it a secret code? We will have to find out. Shape air-dry clay into a cylinder. The size doesn't matter. Dampen the clay with water from time to time to make it more flexible. Trim the ends to make them flat. Paint the cylinder in silver when the clay hardens. Wind leather ribbon around the tube once it gets dry. Write an instruction on it with a white marker. Go north and indicate the location of the villain. We're trying to figure out how this encrypting tool works and what we need to twist. At last! We guess we should wind the ribbon around the cylinder. Bingo! The letters match, and everything becomes crystal clear. We need to go north to our friend's house. It seems that they've solved my riddle. I need to come back home as soon as possible to be ahead of them. Saddle up! My Bucephalus will bring me home faster than the wind. I will prepare my spy house. First of all, I will cover my tracks with special wolf paws. Cut 2 ovals out of plastic. The size of the oval should be the same as a shoe sole without a heel. Draw wolf paw prints on the ovals. Define the drawing with a thick layer of hot glue so that it gets voluminous. Make holes at the sides. Pass through a rubber band. Hot glue the ends. I leave the wolf paw prints all over the kitchen. Let my friends solve this jungle riddle. The girls are coming! It's time to set a trap with a projector. Paint a small cardboard box black. Cut a handle off a magnifying glass and trace the glass on the side of the box. Make a hole and attach the glass into it. Fasten a piece of foam plastic to the bottom of the box opposite the glass. Stick 2 skewers into it. Put a phone on the foam plastic stand. The picture should be flipped over as the magnifying glass projects the picture upside down. Tape the box to close. I do a dangerous somersault. Put my phone into the projector and turn the lights off. The Spy Games operation is in full swing. We find wolf paw prints all over the kitchen. Is our friend really a werewolf? It makes sense. We go further and get into a dark room. But our photos are projected here on the wall. It's so strange. It's time for the final act. I use my villain remote control. Cover an old remote control with silver spray paint. Make a big round button out of soft clay and attach it over the small buttons in the center of the remote control. Make 3 more buttons of different sizes and shapes. Attach a round purple button on top. Make clay cones and attach them to the top of the button. Paint a devil face emoji with acrylic paint. Cover small buttons with red paint. Write evil on the rectangular button under the demon smiling face. Draw an explosion image on the big round button and add boom on top. Write trap on the last button. Cover the remote control with clear polish when the paint is dry. I press the most villainous button. The light turns on and a net falls onto the girls. I've caught you, my darlings. Now you won't be able to escape. My friends are here and we can throw the party at last. Did you like our spy hacks? Then write in your comments which ideas you will use for spying. Will you hide a walkie-talkie in a sandwich? sneak a bug onto your friend, or encrypt a secret message. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss a new enrollment into the Troom Troom Spy Academy.